Down these narrow steps, protected from prying eyes by a sea of greenery, lies one of the wonders of modern architecture, E-1027. Hello, I'm Siobhan Parkinson, author of Rocking the System, a book about fearless and amazing Irish women, which includes Eileen, one of the greatest designers of the 20th century. I'm here to tell you about our crowdfunding appeal to help restore the magical modernist villa that Eileen built, E-1027. Designed in the 1920s, it hugs the craggy cliffs of Roquebrune, Cap Martin, not far from Monaco. Born in County Wexford, Ireland in 1878, to an aristocratic mother and an artist father, aged 24, she moved to Paris to continue her design education. There, she attracted the eye of a young Romanian architect, Jean Badovici. It was Jean who gave Eileen the impetus to build a house in the modernist style. She threw her inventive genius into creating furnishings that were both works of art and objects to be used and enjoyed. Eileen created novel and now famous pieces, which were based on her principle that to create, one must first question everything. Her work includes the Bibendum armchair, inspired by the tubes of Michelin tires, and the E-1027 table with its circular top whose height could be adjusted. Abandoned after the murder of the subsequent owner in 1993, the house fell into disrepair. It was rescued by the French National Trust of the Coastline in 1999, and restoration began. Since 2014, this work has been undertaken by the Association Cap Moderne. All essential structural work has now been completed. What remains to be done is the recreation of Eileen's fixed and freestanding furnishings, using her original methods and materials. We also aim to provide disabled access to the site. We hope you will help us to raise £50,000 towards our fundraising efforts. Her extraordinary story deserves to be told. She was an incredible woman who was bashing down gender barriers before women even got the vote. And E-1027 is the only place in the world to get a complete sense of her design genius. Please give generously. Thank you.